Welcome back, guys. So right now I want to work on a BMC. What is BMC? BMC is a business model canvas, and let's see how that goes. That'll be our first activity. So whatever you're prompting, if it's not even related to mine, just make sure you follow this step. So I would say I want to create a BMC for these business ideas. Give me the content for my BMC. BMC is business model Canva. So let's create that. So I'm going to design the business model Canva. How do we proceed? So here we have the business model Canvas, WordPress optimization and SEO. So we have the key partners, we have the key activities, and we have the value propositions. We have the customer relationships, we have the customer segments, we have the key resources, we have channels, and we have cost structure, we have revenue streams, and we have everything. So this BMC gives you a clear roadmap for structuring and scaling your business. Let me know if you like adjustments or a deeper focus on any session. So let's create a BMC. So I'll use the tool called Canva to design our BMC. How do we go about that? So let me open my Canva right away, and here my Canva, I want to search for BMC. That's what I'll search for, which is business model canvas. So I'm going to search for BMC, and we're going to try to input all this. So I'll say BMC. So that's what I want to search for. I'll search for BMC, which is business model canvas. So let's search for BMC template, and here we have a good template right here. We have different templates right here. All you have to do is to choose a template. So you could choose any of these templates, and as you could see, we have a very good template, different types of templates. All you have to do is to choose one. So I love this simple one. Actually, this looks simple. I would prefer to use this. You can use any of those templates to customize your BMC actually, but I love this particular template because of its simplicity. So I'm going to create a BMC right now, and how to create a BMC goes this way. So we're going to start creating this BMC. So I'm going to start inputting the idea into this. So this is BMC business model canvas, and here we are. This is a guide for you. It says what partners, what are the complaints partners, who are the complaint suppliers, which key resources. So here we're going to input the BMC. So here we have the first thing we have here is your BMC, and let's proceed. Let's close out right now. So the BMC starts from key partners, which we have them all here. So I'm just going to copy them all. I'm going to copy them all from here to here. So we're going to have a BMC design. So here we are. So I'm going to copy them all. I'm going to paste all that. So here we are, and I'm going to just make sure everything is intact. So this is this. Okay, Control Z, and I'm just going to edit them. Basic edit actually. I'm going to give it a basic edit. So here we are, and yes. So we have this, and that's our key partners. So we could go through that. Let's just have it designed first. So here we have website speed. So let's see key activities. So what are the key activities? So we have the key partners. Key activities is right here. So I'm going to just do this. I'm going to make sure this is done. So let's do that right now. So your BMC could be, like I said, all you have to do is to restructure. So you could restructure your BMC actually. You could do that, and here we are. So I'm trying to do that right away. So we have something like this, and this could actually come down a bit. So let's do something like this. So I could bring this down a bit. So this could come down. Yes, so this could come somewhere here, and this right here could be worked on. This could come this way. So let's say key resources. So key resources will be here. So let's do key resources somewhere here. Yes, so let's do something like this. Key resources, and this is, yes, so let's just bring this somewhere here for now. And currently this is our BMC for key activities, and let's wait for how to go about all that. So my value proposition, so let me see, my value proposition is this. So you see all this, I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to have them pasted here. So that will be my value proposition. and what I have to do is to turn on this, and I'm going to just paste my value proposition right here, and there we are. So we have something like this as well. So we have faster, enhanced, we have higher, we have yes done, yes for you service, we have transparent, we have flexible. So here we are, and that has been sorted for value proposition, sorry. And here we have customer relationships, so I'm going to copy this as well. So you could go through all this to understand the scope of any business you want to go into. So I'm going to input for customer relationship, and here we are. So I'm going to just do this, yes, and here we are. So we're going to just focus on this, and that leads to okay, so that leads community engagement via. So let's see what that will be. Yeah, community engagement. So yes, here we are, and the last one is customer segment. So let's see what the customer segment is all about. So customer segment says small business owners with slow WordPress websites. Those are your target audience. Are the customer segments, that's what it means. So we have our target audience right here. So starting from small businesses, yes, e-commerce store, yes, bloggers, yes. So these are our target audience. Bloggers, yes, web design or developers looking for SEO performance, yes. And the last one is local businesses, yes. So it's going to be local business is, yes, needing better online presence. So here we are, we've customized the first set of our BMC. The next thing now says key resources. So here we have our key resources. So I'm going to copy this and come to paste for key resources. So our key resources starts from, as you can see, I adjusted it to this place. Why? Because I saw that we have enough space right here. So I'm going to use this part for key resources, of course. So let me just do that right away, and here we are. So let's do this right away for key resources. So let me just bring this somewhere here, and this will be our key resources. Yes, so we have the key resources right here, and here we are. So we're going to start this way. So our key resources proceed this way, and here is the key resources. So this would come here, actually this will come here to cover this up. Yes, so here we are. So we have something like this. Yes, if I were to be you, what I would do is I would bring this closer a bit. So this will have a closing, and this would come this way. So this would, yes, so this would come this way a bit. Yes, so we're going to have something like this, and this can come somewhere in between here. Yes, so this can come somewhere here. Okay, yes, that will come somewhere there. So this would be worked on. So let's do something like this, and yes, let's do something like this. So let me make sure this is positioned the right way. So let's do something like this. Okay, so I think this has been positioned the right way. So I could always draw a new line. Actually, I could always draw a new line, and line type, line style, line color, position. So line position. So you see everything about the line right here, and we have the rotate. So the rotate will be 0 actually. So let rotate be 0 so that it will be on a straight line. So that's a straight line for us, and here we are going to make sure this is properly aligned to what we have here. So this is key resources, and here you could just even increase something like this, and there we are. So we just increase that, and there we are. So we're going to have something like this. Yes, and this could go up a bit. Yes, make this go up a bit. Yes, so we have the key resources and key partners in the same position. So I'm going to make sure this is something like this, and this goes up a bit as well. So here we are, and this is this right here, key resources. So we've done the key resources, and the next thing will be, let's see what the next thing will be. let's see what the next thing will be. So the next thing will be channels. So let's do for channels, and I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy the content for channels and come back here. So we're going to come to channels, which is this. So I'm going to just paste that. So here we are. So I just pasted for channels, and here it is. So we have for channels right here, and let me make sure everything is well aligned. So we are good to go. These channels right here. So Control Z. Let me Control Z this. Okay. Let me Control Z this. So I'm going to Control A from here, and I'm going to make sure the bulleted points are highlighted. Then I'm going to paste what I have with me. So I just pasted that, and here we are. So we're going to have something like this. So this is channels, and let's see how that goes for us. So let me just reduce this right now. So I'm going to just reduce this and come back here. So let me just make sure everything is intact, and here we are. So let me just Control Z this. Yes, here is the channels, and let me just make sure everything is intact this way. So I'm just doing basic edits to this for now. So I'm just doing the basic edit. So what I want to do now is to make sure this is shrinked a bit. So this could be shrinked a bit, and we're going to have something like this. So this could always be expanded to somewhere here. Yes, and this could always be stretched as well. Yes, that has been stretched as well. So we have something like this, and yes, we have something like this, and we are going to make sure this goes up a bit. So let's make sure this goes up a bit, and this is stretched across. So we have that, and here we are. So I'm going to make sure this is straightened. I'm going to come to position, and I'm going to look for rotate. The rotate has to be 0 so that it will be on a straight line, and there it is. So this is on a straight line right now, and the channels could easily come up a bit. So we're going to have this go up a bit. So here we are. We have the channels, and okay, let me just choose this first, and here. So I'm going to go up a bit. So yeah, this can go up right now, and this could come follow along. So we're going to have all this right now. So this is the channels, and yes, let me just edit it basically. So it says code, email, and content. So that is this for this. So we have the channels, and the next thing will be the cost structure. So let's work on this cost structure right here. So I'm going to copy this and come back here, and I'm going to paste my cost structure right here. So what I'm going to do is Control D. I'm going to Control D to have my content right here. My content stays here. Then I'm going to turn on my bulleted points. Then I'm going to Control V to paste what I have. So I'm going to just do the basic edit, of course, and here we are. So I did the basic edit right now, and this is it right here. So I'm going to just make sure this is intact. So we have the cost structure, and the very last thing will be revenue stream. It only has 7 sessions. A business model has 7 sessions, and these are the 7 sessions. It's just for you, it's a way to get to know about your business. It's just a summary of what your business would entail. So I'm going to Control Z this. I'm going to turn on my bulleted points, and I'm going to Control A. Then I'm going to Control V to paste, and here we are. So I just pasted for the BMC. So I'm creating a BMC right now. So you could go through your BMC, and in the next lesson we're going to create an activity where we're going to create a business idea or a business plan for this business idea. So this so far is good, and we can proceed. So I'm just going to reduce this a bit so we could have all these, and this is looking standard. So you could do your basic edit. Actually, after this you could do your basic edit. You could check your position if your position is okay, which is okay, and every other thing is okay right now. All you have to do is to proceed. So I'm going to say this is my website services BMC. So this will be website services BMC, and right now all I have to do is to click on share, and having to click on share, I'm going to download this right now. I'm going to download it as PNG. You could download it as PDF, you could download it as anything, but just download it as a mere image. I'm going to download this, and it's going to be downloaded as an image that that we can view, and this could always be viewed, and you could always check your BMC of your website to have idea of where you're going and where you want to be and what are your values and what do you want to offer. So when I open this up, this is what we just created. This is the BMC we just created, and it's looking great so far. So I didn't remember to edit this. I could choose to go and edit them, but right now we've done a BMC, and so far so good. We are good to go. As you could see, this is just a snippet of what the business is all about and the values of the business. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.